morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I got myself another kryptonite lock. I don't know what the model is. This is the Series 51. It's S51219. There you go. Nice beefy lock. Hard shackle. I already tested that. Really got tiny pins in there. Let me show you the key. It's a 6. I believe it's 6. Let's focus here. Yeah. Very tiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But very tiny pins. You gotta just move it barely. Or you just jump onto another pin. So let me get this all booted up. Got that again, not prepared. Use this thin pick here. I wonder if I can use top of the keyway. Check it out. Good, that'll work. I'm going to use the long side though. Okay. Do a little reach around here. That really just hurt. Okay, let's begin. One. 2, nice click there. 3 feels good. 4 is binding. Okay. 5, binding. Didn't you go anywhere? And 6. Nice. A little bit of movement, I believe, on that one. 1. Nice click there. 2 is binding. Nice. 3. Binding. Come on. Working that up. Lighten up my tension a little bit. Okay, 4. Nah, that was a good click on 4. 5. Got a little bit of movement there. And I think that was it. I'm in a bad position here. I want to make sure you can see. Starting to cramp though. 1. Nice click there. 2. Pretty good tolerance to these locks. All I'm feeling, that was a good one. Is spools. That's what it feels like. I haven't felt any serrated. There we go. That might have been a serrated pin. Nice one. 5. All right, back to beginning. One, got a little bit of movement there. 2, nice click, a little bit of movement. 3. 4 feels good. 5. Last spin there. Nice. All right. 1, it moved. I don't know if you're watching my finger or what, but it is moving. A little counter rotation going. Nice. Cool. That was a nice click. 4, nice one. Last pin. Nice. One. Nice one on 2. 3, and I got more movement. Got a good false set going, I think. There we go. 3, 4, 5. Nice one. Did I get the last one? Okay, 1 second. My hand's killing me already. Give me 1 second. Oh. Last pin I think I was on. Feels good. Beginning. 1's binding. And my hands are cramping. 2, very nice, very nice. Nice. 3, 4. 4. Come on. All right. I'm stuck. I bent my pick a little bit, damn it. Nice one on 1, 2, 3, and I got some great movement out of that. I still got a good false set going. 4 is binding. Nice. 5. Yeah. Come on. Definitely spools. Then I've been wrong. I don't know. It sure feels like it. 5, 6. Great. Back to beginning. Oh, my hands. One. 2, a little bit of movement. I've got to rest my hand a second. I think that was 3. Yeah, I'm about to lock up completely. 4. Nice. 5, 6. 1. I'm going to try something different. Oh. Get something with a little bit more reach to it. 1. 2 feels good. 3. 4. Nice one on 5. Nice one on 6. Oh. Come on now. 1. 2 feels good. 3 feels good. 4 feels like it's binding. Think I got you. Nope. God, is that a false set? Look at that. Okay. No, I'm very close. 2 is good. 3 good. 4 good. 5 good. And counter rotation on 6. I got it. Okay, look at my hands, man. Oh, God. That was good. I don't know how long that took me, but it's tough lock. Oh, Kryptonite's a no joke. No joke. No joke. Let me set this here. Put that down there. I did show you the Kryptonite key, didn't I? Very, very cool. Very nice fitting. Get us aside. Oh. Give me a sec, please. Oh, God. I don't know if I could do it, man. This might take me a minute. Need a clip remover. Let's see if this will work for me. I can't stand this. Oh, son of a bitch. I am trying. Give me a second here. How can I open this quickly? Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. Whoa. Okay. We're still open. I need a small faller. I think I could put a shim in there. Oh, not too far, not too far. Oh, that barely went in. Okay, so there, there, nice and easy. Oh, Houston, all right, I thought we had a problem. Oh, we did have a problem. Let's just check it out as we go. Here's the problem there. That was pin 1, I believe. Let's take it as we got it. Damn it. Not too bad if I only mess up there. Shit. Nothing's going easy. Damn. My whole table just fell. Son of a gun. Give me a second, guys. Everything's on the floor here. I don't know what happened. Alright, I'll fix that all in a minute. There's all my locks around there. Damn it. Damn it. Alright, let's take it from where... Did it fall out? Yeah, we did. All that banging. Let me move it down. That first one looked like it was a serrated pin. At least on the top it is. I'm having the worst of luck getting these pins out. Okay, this is 3. No, I was wrong about that. Another serrated. Okay, get 2. Okay, totally wrong. That's a serrated. I thought they were spools. Six, 5, 4, all serrated. Everything I thought it was not, but is. All right. Yeah, zoom. Nothing looks like it's done. Looks pretty stock to me. Now, here's the one I messed up on. Okay, not bad at all. All was the spring got caught, but I'm back in the thing. Back in the game. What an awful long video for silly mistakes. I seem to have more than anybody. Nice copper spring, 1. Okay, now we come into a really, really nice spool. Another copper spring. Another spool. Okay, maybe I wasn't wrong. Well, another copper spring. All the springs are going to be the same so far. Okay, another spool. And where did that go? Spool. Here's my shim. Okay. Make sure I got this going on right. There. Nope. There. Still feel like I'm missing a pin. What did I do wrong? There it is. Another spool. So all the top spins, I wasn't wrong. All the, oh, there's the other springs. I think I just dropped one. What else is new? Got that one, got that one. Yeah, my lamp fell over and knocked everything over. And, oh, there's stuff on the floor. Minus one spring. I'll find a spring. Can't believe it. Alright. Really sorry about that. Even that's all messed up. And I'm not going to get it. I dropped the spring, so I'll recover that. Let me give you a close-up. Did it start over again? You know what? Whatever. I think the video started over. I thought I didn't even care. Maybe not. Maybe not. Are we zoomed? All right, zoom. Let me get you a picture of bottom pins here. You got number 1 here. It's got serrations on the top. 2, it's got these nice serrations on it. 3 is the same way. You could see the serrations. Oh, you could have seen them in a minute. Why pick them up and drop them, Thumper? 4 serrated, 5 serrated, 6 serrated, and then all the top pins, except for number 1, standard, spool, 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 and spool. Now I gotta find a spring and a pin. All right, let's not go on any longer. Thank you very much for watching another episode of me messing up on my gutting. Hit that like and subscribe button, tell a friend, and don't put your pictures in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Anybody that wants to trade some padlocks and stuff, even if it's just loan, I'd like to get some high security locks that I'm starting to pick now. I could really use some help. I got challenge lock for days. Anybody that needs challenge lock, we can do that, or padlocks or whatever. Thanks for watching, Thumper. I'll talk to you later. Bye.